Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's short video we are going to play a little game. For those of you who have watched other recent videos here on my channel, you'll know that I normally record my YouTube videos here in my small studio on one of my DJI Osmo Action 4s. One of the main reasons that I use this camera is because it has a fixed focal length, which means that I will always be in focus, as will the rest of the elements in the shot. However, today I thought I would make a change. So I'm recording this video on a different camera. The game is that you need to guess which camera I'm using to record this video right now. Now you may think that's not too difficult, but maybe it's more difficult than you think. Are you up for the challenge? I'm going to give you some help and some information which will help to reduce the number of possible cameras which I could be using right this moment. So let's get into it. I'm recording this video in 4K at 24 frames per second. I'm using an aperture of f2.8, a shutter speed of 1/50th of a second, an ISO value of 200, and my white balance is on automatic. And as a final clue for those eagle-eyed viewers out there, I'm using the preset portrait profile. I'm not going to tell you the type of sensor which the camera has, because that will give away too much information. And I'm not going to tell you the focal length which I'm using right at this moment, because I may crop in a little bit when I edit this video, and it would be unfair to mislead you. Now, the footage which you're watching right now is straight out of camera with no color correction. However, I have edited it to make this video. The original file format coming out of the camera is MPEG, and I've also rendered the video at 4K in the same frame rate as it was shot on. Again, as an MPEG, and I've uploaded it to my YouTube channel in 4K. Please do take part in this little game and leave your guesses in the comments section down below. There is absolutely no prize for the winner except for the fun of taking part. As soon as I receive 5 correct guesses, I will pin the first correct guess to the top of the comments section and will confirm the winner. Go on, give it a try. You've got absolutely nothing to lose and you could get it right. You'll find affiliate links to some of the gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below, except for the camera which I'm using to record this video. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, thank you. You'll be supporting the channel. The price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you liked this video and you found it interesting, please click on the like button and share it with any friends or family who you think may know the answer. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, as that will help the channel to grow. And while you're at it, ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.